G'day all. So this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Peace. Yeah, it's Thursday today. Raining out again, flooding everywhere here on Vancouver Island. And I figured I'd stay home and have my honey oil dab here. Good old honey oil here. Also today is my granddaughter Joelle's birthday. Happy birthday, Joelle. Only 5 years old. Doesn't know anything about this yet. But her mother does. But yeah, Vancouver Island, another gray, rainy day. Flooding in Courtenay, flooding in Port Alberni. Here we're up on an elevation where I'm at, so we're okay. But I'm sure, you know, all the mainland's gonna have flooding right across Canada, United States, that time of year. Oh, yeah. Again, happy 420. Peace out from Loner 420 House. Signing out.